Good morning students, welcome to the course Field Health Technology PL Path 510. In this lecture today we will understand about plant quarantine, what is importance of plant quarantine and how it protect our country from exotic pests and diseases to spread to control to spread these diseases in our country. The aim of plant quarantine department is to prevent, establish and spread of exotic pests and diseases in India. As per provision of Destructive Insect and Pest Act 1914. It protects plant life from destructive insect and pest and diseases, hereby increasing agriculture productivity in order to improve the economy of our country. So let us start. Plant Quarantine Order 2003, they have regulation of import into India. These order 2003 have the regulation of import into India, especially for agriculture commodities, and the regulates import and prohibited of import of the plant and plant products into India. The order was published in the Gazette of India, Wide SO 1322E, dated it is published on 18th November 2003 and has been subsequently amended wide following notification. So these regulation of import into India, the Plant Quarantine Order 2003, is commodity which are imported in our country from the other countries. They follow these regulation. So our country follow the order of the regulation of the order 2003 of the importing material. So plant quarantine order has 15 clauses describing various aspects and the condition of the import of agriculture articles like plant and plant products which are imported for the consumption purpose or for the sowing purpose, like plant and planting material seeds for the sowing, or there are two type of materials, agriculture commodities which are imported. One is for the consumption purpose and second is for the propagation purpose. So in both condition they have a special condition for the import of these agriculture commodities, these agriculture articles like plant and planting material into country. They have 15 clauses, they have 15 schedules, they have, and in this schedule they have a special condition for the import. So there are 24 forms of the various plant quarantine regulation functions, and the order has following schedules. So first is schedule. First schedule is for the point of entry of import of plant and planting material and other articles. So there are three types of point entry. 3 point entry. Plant quarantine have 3 point entry like seaport, airport, and third is land frontier. So seaport stations are the Elipe, Kerala. It is on, and second are the Bhavnagar, Gujarat, and third is Kolkata, West Bengal, and fourth is Calicut, Kerala, and fifth is situated in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And the airport station are Amritsar Airport Station, Punjab, and Bangalore Airport Station, Karnataka. and the Kolkata, which are situated in West Bengal, and Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. And next, land frontier stations are Agartala, which is in Tripura, and Amritsar railway station, Punjab, Amritsar railway station, Punjab, and Atari Bagha border station, railway station, and next Bangan, West Bengal. So these are the different point entry in our country where import material enter from the different countries. So seaport, airport, and land frontier stations. And next schedule is schedule second for the list of inland containers, depots, and the container freight stations for the import of the plants and plant products. So first is Tughlaqabad station. They are situated Tughlaqabad. It is in Delhi, and the status are inland container depot in Tughlaqabad, Delhi, and the jurisdiction for the PQ plant quarantine stations are the PQ stations. Plant quarantine station are National Plant Quarantine Station, Rangpuri, which is situated in Delhi, and the Padparganj station. It is in state Delhi. It is responsible for container freight stations. So it is also Padparganj. It is affiliated by the National Plant Quarantine Station, Rangpuri, Delhi. And next is Ballavgarh. It is in Haryana state, and container freight stations are National Plant Quarantine Station, Rangpuri. Next schedule third is for the list of foreign post offices of import and of plants and plant products. So the first is place, second is status, and third is jurisdiction of plant quarantine stations. So New Delhi, which is foreign post office, and National Plant Quarantine Station, Rangpuri, New Delhi, and Mumbai, which is in Maharashtra, foreign post office, regional plant quarantine station, Mumbai, and Chennai, Tamil Nadu, station, regional plant quarantine station, Chennai, and Kolkata in West Bengal, regional plant quarantine station, Kolkata. And next is regional plant quarantine station, Amritsar. There are five regional plant quarantine station. One is national. Delhi stations are national, and also it is a regional station, and there are another four regional station, which is in Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata, and Amritsar. Next schedule is fourth schedule is list for list of plant and planting material and countries from where import is prohibited along with justification. It is completely prohibited along with justification why it is prohibited. So for example, like banana, plantain, and species, Musa species, abaca and abaca are it is a category of plant rhizome and sword sucker, which are used for the propagation. It is completely prohibited from the country like Central and South America, Hawaii, Philippines, and Cameroon. Why it is prohibited? It is prohibited due to incidence of the destructive pests such as Moko wilt caused by Burkholderia solanacearum, race 2, and the Cameroon marbling disease caused by Phytoplasma. Another example is cassava or tapioca. It is the categories which are restricted, completely prohibited, are seed as and stem cutting, which is prohibited from the country Africa and South America. It is prohibited due to the condition, due to the incidence of the destructive pests such as super elongation caused by Speculoma, Mani horticola, and cassava bacterial wilt caused by Xanthomonas campestris pathoar, Monihotis and American strain. It is an American strain. And next is cassava bitches broom caused by Phytoplasma and several cassava viruses. It is prohibited due to several cassava viral diseases. And next example is coca and plant species belonging to Sterculiaceae and Bromelaceae and Thiliaceae family. Bombycaceae and Thiliaceae family. So fresh, like fresh bean and pod, budwood, graft and roots stock, everything is prohibited from the country West Africa, tropical America and Sri Lanka. From 3 countries it is completely prohibited, from the West Africa, tropical America and Sri Lanka. So why it is prohibited? It is prohibited due to incidence of the destructive pests such as soil and soot virus and related viruses strains of coca, and also it is restricted for bitches broom, Crinipelis, Marasmius and Perniciosa. Another example is coffee and related species of Rubiaceae family. The bean, seed, berries and freshly harvested graft, bud, wood, seedling, rooted, cutting, etc. Everything is prohibited from the Africa and South America. It is prohibited due to incidence of the destructive pests such as American leaf spot caused by Mycena citricolor and another Ampeliosa flavida, and coffee berry diseases caused by Coleotrichum coffeeanum var virulence. So it is restricted for these diseases, and it is completely restricted. They have no special condition for the import. They have no additional declaration for the import. They are completely restricted from this country. Thank you.